There's a lot of fear out there right now
because of the coronavirus.
Because of the coronavirus. And we understand why that can be a fearful thing, and we know that it's serious, but we want to make sure that everyone is comforted to know that God is still in control.
And He has everything under control.
And we're going to trust Him. And we still want to use our brains and wash our hands.
And think wisely about how you're going to do things and what you're going to touch on your body. And
Try not to touch our faces.
Like, if you think, I really need to touch my eye for some reason, think why you should touch your eye. If it's an itch, you can just...
Or maybe wash your hands first before you have to itch your eye.
Or just don't, if you don't want to wash your hands before you do it, just don't itch your eye.
So we just wanted to take this opportunity to remind everyone what Paul told Timothy, that we're not given the spirit of fear, but of love. And so we need to just... We're not
given the spirit of fear, we're given the power of love.
That's right.
I want to be fearless.
So we want to make sure to continue treating others with love and kindness, and
stay healthy.
And just trust the Lord with this. And we'll be praying for our country. And wash your hands.
Please.
We already said that. But
my dad is really
wash
weird.
Wash your hands, wash your hands, wash your hands.
But yes, please wash your hands. And don't touch your eyes, your mouth, your nose, because those are open places for germs to get in your body.
This is
and
true.
When you sneeze, don't sneeze in your hand. Because let's pretend that I just sneezed, achoo, in my hand, and then I shake my mom's hand.
I'm not doing it.
We're gonna pretend, and then I just shake my mom's hand. Oh no, I gave her germs.
They're on me now.
So sneeze, achoo, in your elbow. And if you want to greet someone, do not shake your hands. Do not high five. But the cleanest one is a fist bump.
Yeah, or really even just like a wave from a distance.
Yeah, because that's
too.
Really good.
Yeah,
but don't over exaggerate and go wah and just go really, really far.
Okay. Bye.
Wash your hands.